The LulzBot TAZ Pro is an industrial desktop 3D printer that provides large, multi-material, and soluble support printing with LulzBot's award-winning reliability. Create high-quality, large, functional prototypes, manufacturing aids, and print on-demand parts with easy professional results. Built on a foundation of signature LulzBot ease of use and reliability, the TAZ Pro includes a ton of exciting features perfectly catered to professional users. With standard additions like dual extrusion, a full-color LCD screen, and filament runout and stripping detection, the TAZ Pro is the best LulzBot 3D printer to date. The TAZ Pro is the first desktop 3D printer to offer true multi-material printing, thanks to a completely redesigned toolhead, which features 2 active lifting hot ends. Consistent part cooling comes from a 360-degree fan shroud, which enables printing with multiple unique materials in the same part with clean transitions between colors or materials. For example, this drill assembly uses ABS for the base and TPU for the flexible grips. For prints with complex geometry, steep overhangs, and large internal cavities, the TAZ Pro's dual extruder toolhead is perfect for printing with soluble support materials like PVA. When finished printing, the support material dissolves in water, eliminating manual time-consuming post-processing. A large 280 by 280 by 285 millimeter print area gives you plenty of room to work with for designing both prototypes and end-use parts. The toolhead features premium E3D hot ends with hardened steel components for superior print quality and an expansive range of material options. Whether your job requires flexible materials as low as 85A shore hardness, rigid, high strength, high heat, or chemically resistant, the LulzBot TAZ Pro has all your filament needs covered with the widest array of filaments available in the industry. LulzBot's new calibration cube eliminates the need for time-consuming calibration prints and manual bed adjustments. This first-of-its-kind system automatically sets nozzle offsets and adjusts for any backlash detected as the stepper motors change direction. This, combined with a self-leveling bed, dual Z-axis limit switches, and a belt-driven Z-axis that completely eliminates any Z-wobble, make the TAZ Pro the best printing, easiest to use LulzBot 3D printer yet. An intuitive new filament runout detection system pauses your print when it's time to switch reels. In addition, the system also identifies other flow issues such as clogged nozzles, stripped filament, and heat creep. Navigating the TAZ Pro's functionality has never been easier, thanks to the new 5-inch full-color touchscreen. Effortlessly select menu items for changing filament, performing calibration adjustments, and starting prints. Inside, the new TAZ Pro includes enhanced 32-bit electronics for greater processing power, more memory, and added functionality. New drivers provide whisper-quiet operation that completely eliminate any sound from the stepper motors. All these smarts are housed by the TAZ Pro's stiffened metal frame for greater rigidity, with additional enclosure options available. Finally, the TAZ Pro's universal mounting system allows for operation with any of the LulzBot line of toolheads, such as this SL toolhead, which features a 0.25mm nozzle for super fine detail prints. Whatever your application, the TAZ Pro has a solution for you.